Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Grains and Beans. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make white sauce, which is a very famous sauce used in Italian and French cuisine, but I am going to make it in a healthier way without the use of refined flour and butter. So let's see how to make a healthy version of white sauce. So to make the white sauce, first I need to take a pan and add 500 ml of toned milk. Bring the milk to boil and switch off the flame. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir the milk until it gets curdled. If required, you can add some extra lemon juice for the milk to get curdled. Now wash the curdled milk, or chena as we call it normally, thoroughly with plain water so that the flavor and the sourness of the lemon goes away. Now transfer the chena in a blender jar and blend it to a smooth paste. You can see the consistency here. It has to be really smooth. Now turn on the gas flame and in a pan add 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. Now roast the wheat flour in medium flame for 1 to 1.5 minutes so that the rawness goes away. Now I am going to add 400 ml of toned milk here, but little by little so that the wheat does not form any lump. Here I am using cold milk. So as you can see here that there are no lumps left, so I will be adding a little more amount of milk. And now comes the most important ingredient of the sauce, which will take it to another level and give it a really creamy and satiny texture. That is the chena paste, or the paste of the curdled milk that we had prepared earlier. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of the paste. Mix everything together and now your base sauce is ready. But now I'm going to add a little more flavor to my sauce. So I am adding some chili flakes, some Italian seasoning, some black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together and your healthy version of white sauce is ready. Prepare pasta, sandwiches, different dishes of chicken, fish with it and enjoy.